Hey guys, it's Sid Sappho. This is a 3-minute short, not about 3 minutes, I'm gonna show you. This is a new one, this is the old one. This is the difference. The old one has a higher pitch sound and the new one has a lower pitch sound. I'm gonna be testing this one here first. It's already on. I'm starting. I'm gonna press test. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Next one. That one is really loud. On camera, it doesn't sound like in real life, but right now, in my garage, it's the loudest thing that you can hear. If you were out my garage, you can hear it from 2 houses away. Next one. I have tested this one with a candle and I almost burned it. I'm gonna get it right now. Next one. And sorry guys, it's right here. Starting in 3, 2, 1. These aren't connected to any police station or anything. It's personally connected to nothing. I'll test it again. Alright. I'm gonna put my other one away. Just give me a sec. Oh, I forgot to turn it off. I packaged it back up. This one was supposed to be due. I'll show you. It has died in 2021 September in the 20s or 10s. This one has been used. Seems like it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video. Oh yeah, this one, let me just give me a second. This one is on all day, like every single day. I never take the battery out. Look. I'll show you, you can see that? If you saw the red, let me know. Yeah, there it is. Bye guys.